from the very outset. Well, he really is danger personified, but in this game, Stuart, what do you think we might see from him?
Well, the best players can play in tight areas, and he can certainly play in tight areas, in and around the box. His creativity is excellent. Playing a little 1-2 ball.
And scope for them to produce something exciting. He's in here. And a goal! The quick 1-2! And they've turned this game on its head. Incapié. It's Callum Hudson-Odoi. Cheek. Can he take advantage? A goal! An exceptional performance this. 4 to the good now.